Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 24th through the 30th. Last week of May, kind of crazy. I have this organized potato kit called Flamingos. It's my sister's boyfriend's birthday on the 26th, and he's obsessed with flamingos, so I thought it was the perfect kit. That's all the summery vibes, which we definitely have the heat to make it seem summery. So with that, I'm going to use these guys as my top headers. I'm going to alternate, so hot pink, light pink, so on and so forth. And then I pulled these two washi tapes from Michael's to be my bottom washi. And then that's really like all I need. I'm going to stick in the full boxes and then do some more kind of functional setup stuff. But I'm going to get started with those washi bits. Pull out my slice tool and my ruler from AliExpress in case I need it. And I'll do that quickly and then come back so we can do some more interesting stuff. All right, there is the basics. There's literally like just enough of the shorter strip, but we made it. This little middle part did not tear up very well, so not sure I'm going to use this little leftover piece, but I have it if I need it. In terms of the full boxes, I think I'm going to use this one that says good vibes only as my like quote box, because I feel like we can all use some good vibes right now. I don't know about you guys. So stick that one down there. And then we have like 4 with quotes and 3 without, so I'm just going to kind of alternate them. And then there's 2 that kind of like talk about summer vibes, so I'm going to kind of divide those up as well. My plan is to kind of stick them down like so, I think. Lining it up at the top is my plan. If I can just find the right corner of this one to pick it up successfully. I've got a few scrippy scraps, but not bad. I'm just kind of guessing on how to spread these, to be honest. But I think it'll look cute. And we are done. Still haven't figured out our weekend plans for Memorial Day weekend. We might be traveling, we might not be. It's really up in the air. So that'll be interesting for us to figure out, I guess. But it's gonna be fine. I feel like the advent of the pandemic has brought about a lot of last minute planning. And we just kind of do what we need to do. Alright. There's this one. It's kind of like 2 pinks next to each other, but they're different pinks, so I'm just going to leave it and not worry about it. Also, it doesn't seem very summer vibes if I'm like obsessing over how to arrange things. So there we go. That's all the full boxes. I am now going to do a second round of the boring bits. I'm going to stick down all these hydrates right here, right above the full boxes, and stick the checklist down right below the full boxes. And I'm also going to stick down the weekend banner because I forgot to do that before. So I will do that all very quickly and then be right back. All right, there we go. Got everything all set up, all the boring bits done. I think it's looking really cute, definitely bright and colorful. So in terms of the plans for each day, I think I'm gonna stick on the sidebar a today header. Like, it seems kind of weird to use a today header, but I think it's gonna work. And then I'm gonna use this middle habit tracker here. It's flamingo themed. I don't know, it seems appropriate. I'm making my sidebar kind of monochromatic a little bit. It'll make sense in a second. So I'm going to use the other today header as well. I'm just going to have 2 today headers in a row. Because I can. And then I'm going to stick this full box checklist kind of thing. It has 7 sections in it. So I'm going to use this for my meals. This is what I mean by like matchy, because it's like the same pattern here, but whatever. Then I'm going to stick in a couple of these little flamingo guys, like so. Do I have space for a third one? Maybe I can stick it with the weekend banner. Sure, there we go. All right, so that leaves like these to-do headers and then a couple boxes and things. I don't know how much of this I'll use, but I have it if I need it. So we're ready to go there. In terms of the sidebar, I have this tiny sticker book. These are, I think, Recollections stickers that I don't think exist anymore, to be honest. But I'm gonna pull out some of these for some of this stuff. So first I'm gonna pull out this little turquoise cat. I'm gonna stick that right there. That is for brushing my cat's teeth. I'm gonna pull out one of these little knife and fork and spoon guys to go with it today, since this is my meals. Is there like something goals kind of related? There's these, but that's too big. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it at those 2. So now I have that on my sidebar done. In terms of the weekday plans, I have these stickers from the sticker patch. I cut the sheet in half so it fit in my sticker book, but I'm gonna use these for work. They're definitely a little extra and very bright, and I love it. I'm gonna let it overlap the header a little bit. Maybe I'll just center them. Like, I think it's pretty clear that this is gonna be representing work, so I'm just gonna center them. There we go. Also on Monday, I think I'm just gonna stick my plan with me down here as the last item on this checklist. So for this, I think I'm gonna use one of these. Let's use this dark gray color. These are from Piper Paper Company. I have an affiliate link down below. I get a little bit of shop credit if you use it, and you also get 20% off. So if you feel like it, no pressure, obviously. All right, so I'm gonna stick that down there. And then I'll leave this for whatever I do on Monday. Tuesday, nothing is going on. Wednesday, I wanted to mark Chris's birthday. I'm gonna use this sticker book again. There's like this little birthday cake guy in here. I don't feel like you can see anything right now, but in a second. I'm just gonna stick this down here too as like the last thing on the checklist again. And then this will be for whatever I do. There's a chance I'm going out for drinks with friends, so that might be what goes on there. We'll see. Thursday is work. I have a work lunch, but I'm not sure. I don't think I really pulled anything to market, so I think I'm just gonna not worry about it. I also don't know if it's gonna get canceled because realistically things are crazy right now, so that might happen. Friday, I'm not gonna put work on yet because I don't actually know if I'm gonna work or not. I might end up taking the day off. Have not determined that. And Saturday and Sunday also leaving blank because I don't really know what's going on. So once I know that better, obviously I'll fill it in. So this is really all I have right now. Definitely not a lot, but it is looking really cute already. So that's pretty exciting. I'm not gonna bother filling anything in because there's so little to fill in right now, especially since I'm not writing work there. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. Love how it turned out. Super cute, very colorful and bright. If I don't mention it as I'm going through, it came from the kit from Organized Potato. I have a little bit left, a couple habit trackers and one checklist. I'm just gonna get rid of this little scripty scrap because it's like basically nothing, but throwing that in my leftovers to deal with later. So going down the side, these two icons are from a Michaels little sticker book. All these unicorns are from the sticker patch. This is from Dollar Tree. It's from Piper Paper Company. The skinny washi's from Amazon. Creative Cavern Studio. From that same Michaels book. The bottom washi's are both from Michaels as well. And then that's like it. So pretty much just use the kit as much as possible this week. So I love how it turned out. Let me know below what kits you're using for summer. I figured out June, but that's really as far as I am. So I'm so far behind. So please let me know. I would love to hear what you're using. Like and subscribe below as well if you want to. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.